Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's a good day because we're finally putting some more mods on the Cadillac. This time exterior. We got some wheels. We got some ESR wheels. I'm going to show them to you real quick. You guys thought I was going to show them to you? Nah, not yet. Not yet. Let's go with me to the shop to install these things. First things first, I got to see somehow how I'm going to fit all these inside the Cadillac. It might take some time. All loaded up. All loaded up. So, let's go. You know what? Cold start for the boys and girls. My keys are in my door pocket. Catch you guys at the shop, and let's do this. All right, what you guys have all been waiting for, let me show you the wheels. You know what? I'm going to start you guys off here. We're going to be running Yokes, Yokohama Tornante all season for 225/40/18. Alright. Nice sidewall, pretty thin. Now, real beauty. We're going to be rocking ESR's RF2. Here's the specs. We have 18 by 8.5. 30 mil offset. Now my lug pattern, bolt pattern, whatever you want to call it, 5 by 115. Now I ordered these things off of Fitment Industries, and they actually didn't have them in stock. They actually had to contact the manufacturer to freshly make these. So these are actually like brand new. Like I just got them. They weren't in stock for months. I just got these things. So we're going to take off the old ones, take out the TPMS sensors. If you guys don't know what TPMS is, it is tire pressure monitoring system. So I have to transfer those to these wheels, because if not, I'm going to have a tire light on my dash, and we don't want that. So I'm going to set you guys up, and you're going to watch me.
delight, you are my lucky charm. I hold you close in the night in my arms. And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart in the light of day, in the light of day. And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart in the light of day, in the light of day. Delight, you are my lucky charm. I hold you close in the night in my arms. And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart in the light of day, in the light of day.
Alright guys, just finished balancing every single tire. You guys see me double stack the cloths because every part got scratched up. I have metal clamps here, so I double stacked them. Like I said, out of the 3 tires, I had to balance the last one, no weights. So now I'm going to get a Sharpie and color the wheel weights black because there's no black stickies, and then mount them on here. Now they did not come with hub-centric rims, but hub-centric rings, I mean, but they actually fit fine. So I'm going to test fit them again. If I do have to find some with a little bit of spacing, I'll go buy them and put them on just to be safe. Oh, and whenever you're replacing your wheels aftermarket, you're going to need some new lugs. So I got a kit, spline key kit, normal set. There's a key. Alright. Let me do that real quick and then we'll put them on and lower the car.
Staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
Alright guys, the wheels are on. Looking a lot better. For real. Alright, time to lower this thing down real quick. And see how it looks. That's nice. That's actually nice. You like that? Damn. All right, let me torque these wheels real quick and then I'll back it out. Better sunlight. All right, the wheels are on. I want to show you guys, but I don't because the car is disgusting looking. Like I need to go to the car wash, but I am. So I'm going to show you what now, dirty, and then once it's clean. This thing is actually looking pretty good. No tire poke at all either. The rears. Nothing. Like, guys, what do you guys think? Tell me what you think. Yeah, we gotta wash this thing right next. This is going to the car wash right now. As soon as my old boss gets back, he's actually on the break. I'm covering for him. Look at that, dude. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, car wash is next. And then we're gonna see it when it's like really, really clean. Because this is like crap right now. And I don't like my car dirty. That's the only thing about black cars, guys. But I'm actually hyped. I can't wait to drive this thing. So, next stop, car wash. Look who's gonna see it. Look who's gonna see it. What you think?
This thing look clean.
Like it?
Yeah, this thing look clean.
Look at me cruising. Take a nice little walk around. Looks nice, right? It's way better. What should I do next? You let me know.
Windshield tint.
Windshield tint? I gotta do all 5%, honestly.
50 on windshield.
And I still have the wrap to wrap all this chrome too. I don't know though. I might wrap it all black. I might keep it chrome. I don't know. I might have to black it out though. Honestly, that might have to happen. You know. I can here's the hill. Let's see. He's past us. He's making a whip. Why you do a K-turn there? Why not just back up straight? Novice driver, right? Let's get his reaction now. Look at these curved wheels. Look at these curved wheels. What do you think? You like it? You like it? I was telling him, what should I do next? You think I should just finally wrap the chrome?
Yeah, we can do that that's like 15 minutes, dude.
No, it's
that's not that long. It's literally just the handles.
And chrome, yeah. Anything chrome. What? So, all this and handles.
Yeah, so 8-pillar handles.
We'll just say an hour. That's still not bad.
Yo, it's coming along, dude. Oh, it looks so good on there. Oh, that's beautiful.
That's beautiful.
That is.
He's saying I should get 5% tint. No, tinted windshield. I said I want 5% on the sides, and then I'll do like a 35 up front or something. Like a 20. What do you think? You need darker
was
tint though
listening.
too. Oh my
That was
god.
my fault.
You're just in love.
I am.
Okay.
It looks good.
All right.
18s?
18s,
they are 18.
yes. 18 by 8.5 at a plus 30 millimeter
Let's
on
put them on the Z.
30 mil offset. Wheel
I think
bolt
you
pattern
look
is
good.
different.
Oh.
Wheel bolt pattern is different. You do need some new rims though, because
It's only that one. I do need to fix it. Don't record. Don't post this, bro.
I am.
Don't.
I am. I am.
It happens.
We're about to ride out.
Yeah.
I'll go with y'all. I'm tired as hell, but I'll go.
Fine.
All right. Whose car you hopping in? Z? Go ahead. So they want some food. I am tired, but I'm gonna just go with them. And yeah. But I do have to get some clean shots photo-wise. And yeah. But like, share, subscribe. Catch you guys next time. Thanks.